back to Deluxe Guitar Songs. Today we're going to be covering Blue Orchid by the White Stripes in standard tuning. I'm using my whammy pedal with a 4th down and the 5th up setting. Using my Les Paul on the bridge pickup. I'm also using my Jekyll and Hyde distortion pedal for a little bit of fuzz. Alright, so there's about 3 or 4 different parts of this song. The intro, we're going to call it the chorus, the bridge, and then like a solo section. So intro starts on the low E string, 3rd fret. So 3, 1, 3, 1 on that A, 1 on the low E. Back to that 3. 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 3, 5. So right there is 1, 3, 1, 3. You'll hear him kind of double pick that. So that's the intro and verse sections. When he starts singing "How Dare You," you could come up to the 5th fret on the A string and slide down to the 3rd fret, 1st fret on the low E string. Or you could bend it. I kind of like bending it, but it's a little hard on that low E or that low A. So he plays that like once, and then you'll hear him down here, and I do like bending this. That's on the "How old you" part. How old are you? Then we'll go right back in that intro section. He'll play that a couple times and then go right back into that chorus section. Sounds like he's only playing it there once, and then he's back down here. After he plays that a couple times, it sounds like he's up here on the live versions of the song. He definitely puts this in there. I don't know if he puts this in there on the album version. He's up here on this 13th fret doing a bend. So that's 13 bend down to 10 on the G string. So this is on the B string. 10. So 12 on the G string. So that's Blue Orchid by the White Stripes. I hope you enjoy this song. It's pretty cool. You need an octave pedal. You need some fuzz. Don't forget, you know, you could flip around. You can play it on the neck pickup or the bridge pickup, wherever you want. Just play with it, especially with those slides and the bends, and see which one you like best. Jack White, you know, changes his, you know, song every time he plays it. I don't think he ever plays the same song the same way. So I hope you enjoyed this little guitar lesson, and thanks for coming back. We'll see you next time.